Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. We're so happy you're here with us today because this episode is going to help you speak more fluently and naturally in everyday life. If you sometimes know the words in English but don't know how to use them smoothly in conversation, then this lesson is exactly for you. Hey guys! Yes, today we're going to focus on something very useful and practical. Instead of learning random vocabulary, we'll practice natural phrases that native speakers use in real situations every day. These phrases will help you speak faster, sound more confident, and communicate more clearly. Exactly. Many learners spend years memorizing grammar rules and word lists, but when it's time to speak, they freeze because they haven't practiced real expressions. That's why today's topic is Speak Fluently, 100 phrases for everyday situations. Our goal today is simple. We want to help you build automatic speaking habits. When someone asks you a question or when you need to respond quickly, you'll have useful phrases ready in your mind. Let's begin with the morning, because that's where every day starts. Imagine you just woke up and someone asks how you're doing. Instead of saying only fine, you can say, I'm still waking up, but I'm feeling pretty good so far. Or if you're tired, you can say, I didn't sleep very well last night, so I'm a little slow this morning. That sounds honest and natural. If you need more time, you can say, give me a few minutes. I'm still trying to wake up properly. Then when you're getting ready for the day, you might say, I'm trying to get organized before I leave the house. This phrase is useful when you're busy in the morning. Or, I'm running a bit late, so I need to hurry. Many people use this phrase often because mornings can be stressful. Before leaving, you can remind someone by saying, don't forget to bring your keys and your phone. Now let's move to traveling or commuting. If traffic is bad, you can say, the traffic is heavier than usual today, so I might be a little late. Or if things are going smoothly, everything's going well so far. I should arrive on time. If you're using public transport, you can say, the train is crowded this morning, but at least it's moving. Once you arrive at work or school, you often need to greet people. Instead of only saying hello, try saying, good morning. How's your day going so far? And a good answer would be, things have been busy, but overall, I can't complain. Another useful phrase is, I've had a lot going on recently. This is common when life feels busy. If life is going well, say, I've been doing pretty well recently, actually. Now let's talk about productivity phrases. If you need to focus, you can say, I need to concentrate on this for a while. Or, I'm trying to finish this before lunch, so I need to stay on track. If you're busy but polite, say, I'd love to chat, but I need to finish this first. If you need help, you can say, could you give me a hand with this when you have a moment? And when someone helps you, say, thanks, I really appreciate it. That saved me a lot of time. Now let's move to social conversations during the day. Imagine meeting a coworker or friend. You can say, it's nice to see you. How have things been lately? And a good answer would be, things have been busy, but overall, I can't complain. Another useful phrase is, I've had a lot going on recently. This is common when life feels busy. If life is going well, say, I've been doing pretty well recently, actually. Now let's talk about opinions. If someone asks what you think, you can say, to be honest, I think it's a great idea. Or, I can see both sides, but I lean more toward this option. If you're unsure, say, I'm not completely sure yet. I need to think about it more. If you agree, you can say, that makes a lot of sense to me. If you disagree politely, say, I'd understand your point, but I see it a little differently. Let's move to lunch or food situations. If you're hungry, say, I'm starving. I need to eat something soon. Or, I could really go for a good meal right now. If asking someone to join you, say, do you want to grab lunch together? If deciding food is hard, say, I'm open to anything. What do you feel like eating?
At a restaurant, you can say, could I have a few more minutes to decide?
And when ordering, I'll go with this one. It looks delicious.
Now let's talk about energy and emotions in the afternoon. Sometimes you feel tired. You can say, I'm starting to lose energy. I need a short break.
Or, it's been a long day already, but I'm pushing through.
If things are going well, say, I'm feeling productive today. Everything is flowing nicely.
If stressed, say, I've got a lot on my mind right now.
And if you want calm, say, I'm trying not to stress too much about it.
Now let's move to making plans after work. You can say, are you free later? Maybe we can hang out for a bit.
Or, let's do something relaxing after work. We've earned it.
Or, let's do something relaxing after work. We've earned it.
If you're not sure, say, I'll let you know once I finish everything.
If you're too tired, say, honestly, I think I'll just go home and rest tonight.
Now imagine meeting a friend in the evening. You can say, I'm glad we finally found time to meet.
Or, it feels good to relax after such a busy day.
If talking about your day, say, today was hectic, but I got a lot done.
Or, today was challenging, but I learned a lot from it.
Let's do a full natural conversation now.
Hey, Emma, it's really nice to see you. How's your day been?
Hey, Jack. It's nice to see you too. My day has been pretty busy, but overall it went well. How about yours?
Mine was a little stressful this morning because traffic was terrible, but things got better later.
That's good to hear. Did you manage to finish everything you needed to do?
Most of it, yes. I still have 1 or 2 things left, but nothing too serious.
That sounds productive. I've had a lot going on lately too, so I understand the feeling.
Well, you deserve a break then. Do you want to grab something to eat?
That sounds great. I'm actually really hungry right now.
Perfect. I'm open to anything. What do you feel like eating?
Maybe something light and healthy. I want food that tastes good but doesn't make me sleepy afterward.
Good idea. There's a nice place nearby. Let's go there.
Sounds perfect. I'm glad we got to catch up today.
Me too. It's always good talking with you.
You can hear how simple these phrases are, but together they create smooth and natural conversations.
Yes, fluency is not about using difficult words. It's about using useful phrases comfortably and confidently.
So here's your challenge for today. Choose 10 phrases from this lesson and use them in your own conversations. If you don't have anyone to talk to, practice speaking out loud by yourself. Repeat them several times until they feel natural. The more often you use them, the faster they'll come to your mind when you need them. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on being clear, natural, and confident. That's how real progress happens. And remember, small daily practice creates big long-term results. That's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed practicing with us and learned phrases you can start using immediately. Keep practicing every day, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your fluency will grow step by step. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Take care.